All right, language explorers, let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. Okay, so concerned. Concerned. Something to think or worry about. Yeah, she is very concerned. Yeah, they are concerned with their choices. Yeah, they are. He is concerned what will happen next. What will happen next? Yeah. So, they are concerned patients. Yes, the patients in the hospital are concerned what will happen next. They're concerned what will happen next. What's going to happen tomorrow? Yeah. We have a lot of concerned shareholders. A lot of people are concerned about the direction of the company. Yeah. Where will it be 1 year from now? Where will it be 1 year from now? Don't know. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, so I am concerned with her. He is concerned with the results. Yeah. These results are very concerning. They are always concerned. They're always concerned. That's it. They're always concerned. She is concerned with him. She's concerned with him. Yeah, very concerned. What's going to happen? Yeah. Very good. It is quite concerning. I don't understand these words. I don't understand this data. I'm concerned now. I'm concerned now for their future. For their future. What's going to happen? Don't know. Yeah, let's change. Let's change that. Let's change that. Yeah, concerned now for their future. Yeah, what's going to happen? So we could then say she was very concerned with him. Yeah, he is not concerned for his safety. He's not worried. But she is very concerned that he will hurt himself. She's very concerned, but he's not concerned. No. Yeah. Now, although they are working, the concerned thoughts is that they'll have too much. I'm concerned that he works too much and might tire himself out easily. He might concern him. Well, I'm concerned he'll tire himself out easily. He'll work too much. Then he'll be tired and exhausted. How cool is that? He is concerned he won't finish in time. So she is concerned that she won't finish her exam in time. They are concerned that she will run out of time. Yeah, we're concerned for their safety. Yeah, well, I am always concerned for my students. Yeah, they need to learn and improve their English. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, concerned. I'm concerned. Well, I am not concerned with my ideas. I'm working on them and they are quite refined. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So concerned. Yeah. Now, can you write a sentence with concerned in it? Comment below. And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.